What's up, guys? Today I got a lot of errands I'm gonna run. I'm gonna swing by the dealership today, and I'm gonna take one of my customers, a good friend of mine, one of the new cars that I got. I think he's really gonna like it, and who knows, he might just get it for his wife. What's up, guys? So I'm at the dealership. I'm gonna go see one of my customers. I'm gonna go show him the Fiat 124 Spider. This thing is awesome, and I really think he's gonna like it, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna take it to Tesh. His wife might like it. What do you think?
It's great news.
Great news?
Yeah, that's good.
Bro! Yo, did you lose weight? You're looking super thin, bro. A ver, vueltita.
Yeah, no, bro. I've been hitting it hard. I have to, bro.
You're looking good, bro. Okay, so JD just got here. We're gonna go take this little Fiat. We're gonna go show one of my good friends, Tash. What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
Let's do this thing or what?
Yeah, man. Let's go cruise around in a nice, fast convertible around Yakima.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's go check it out.
Dips on drive.
Dips on the drive?
Dips on the drive.
Okay, cool. Let's go, man.
Top up or down?
Let's leave the top down.
Okay.
Damn, this is a good looking car though, huh?
You know, you're up.
I don't think you fit very well in this thing.
It's a great car.
Right? All right, we need to pop the trunk though. Where's the trunk button at?
Nope. The nice thing about this, top's right here. Real easy release, one-handed.
Boom.
Lock it in.
Boom. Boom. This thing's nice. Hey, and you know what? Surprisingly, the trunk's actually pretty roomy
For a small car.
for a small car though.
car.
Right? All right, man. Let's get going.
Backup sensors. All you gotta do is turn your head, but you can still, if you don't want to, I guess.
Tell me a little bit about this car. You know, it's got 160 horsepower.
Yep, 184 foot-pounds of torque, weighs about 2,400 pounds. So the car's light, it's agile, it's quick. It's so quick.
How much does it weigh?
2,400 pounds.
2,400 pounds. That's ridiculous. This thing is super light.
Super light. Hugs the road real nice. It's great. It's nice, low center of gravity.
It really is.
Almost
Very
no
nice.
body roll.
Not that we were going crazy or
No,
anything, but
no.
this thing is nice. This thing drives really nice, guys. If you guys have never been inside a 124 Spider, you gotta come check it out. I'm telling you, this thing is really, really nice. It really does hug the road.
Oh man, this
And
is
it's
a camping
quick.
car. This thing loves curve.
I love curves too.
Keep it in mind, it prefers a body height of 6'4" and below.
Yeah. Well, if you're over 6 foot, this, let's just be honest, this is not the car for you. This is not the car for you.
It's not.
Yeah.
No,
Get in
no.
it, man.
Like I said, if you're 6'4",
What do you think?
you will not be putting the top on. I can tell you that right now. I can tell you what, I got it's like a blind spot where the roof line is.
Yeah.
The height don't matter when it's fun,
Yeah.
because it's fun.
All right, man. You ready to go get some coffee?
Let's do some coffee, brother. Here, I'll suction cup it.
Hold it and just look at
Why does it smell down here? Or is that me? Testing, bro. You're not gonna tell
Did
me.
you shower?
Bro, no. I can only afford 4 showers a year, bro. I'm a seasonal guy. I just try not to get too sweaty, you know?
Yeah.
Keep the ball sweat, the chode sweat to a minimum.
The ball sweat?
Ball.
Oh, look at that! It's got a thing!
I told you it has
Holy shit!
You got so excited.
It's got, what do you call it?
Blind spot monitor.
It's got blind spot monitoring.
Oh, that was awesome. Holy
All right, which way?
shit.
They're right here.
Yeah. Turn to the right. Stay to the right.
Stay this way or this
Stay
way?
this side. This side.
What?
I don't. Yeah, this makes no sense.
I don't know. Okay, here we go.
Nope. You just keep
So-
rolling up to the window.
Just keep
you
going?
don't order. Yeah, this. I'm telling you, dude. It doesn't.
I just want like a mocha frappe.
Mocha frap.
Do they, or is that just a McDonald's thing? I don't know.
You can get a frappuccino. Mocha
Can you?
frappuccino. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man?
You gonna keep rolling ahead?
How you doing?
What can I get for you?
Hey, you guys do the mocha frappes or like a
Yeah, for sure.
right? Let me
Blended
just
or
get one of
ice?
those.
Or do you want to blend it?
Blended.
Just a mocha, or did you want like any other flavor in it?
No, just mocha.
Just mocha one size?
Yeah. Just a regular size.
We got 24, 32, 16.
24.
24. Any
Yep.
whip on it or no?
Whipped cream? No, no whipped cream.
Okay.
Some mocha freeze.
Judging
And
was
what
about
else
to
can I
come
get
out.
for you guys?
I'm gonna get a 24-ounce iced white chocolate mocha, light ice, extra shot.
Whip on it or no? Alright, with the yellow guy?
Dude, we're in this car. Do you
That's
think
it?
we need whipped cream to help us?
Oh, you know.
What do you think? Is this us?
Fits us, right? Kinda, maybe.
No.
No?
You guys need a bigger car.
Really?
That's why the top's down, brother.
What do you think? Yeah? It's a 124 Spider, man. This thing's brand new.
Smile.
2017.
But it's still brand new.
Still new.
It is. It hasn't been.
brand
It's
new.
never been titled. It's never been sold. So this is
Never
a
been
car
sold.
we're selling on our lot that we're promoting.
What do you guys work at?
Yakima Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
Yep.
Down here. Gotcha.
Yeah, this thing's pretty legit though, huh?
Just
You got cash?
and you got
Cash.
that contract with you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Which one?
you got one? Got one. There it is, man.
Yep, no worries.
You can tell I'm not a big coffee drinker.
No, not one bit.
I'm like, let me get a.
Oh, you're ordering like a woman drink.
medium woman drink.
Oh, you're giving them a bunch of ingredients and recipes, and you just kept it simple.
There you go. Thank you. What do you mean?
Nothing.
Oh, you're the one with the woman drink. Is that it? Yeah, this is yours.
Yeah.
There you go, man. All of that for this, huh?
There you go.
Awesome. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. You too.
Thanks, brother.
All right, brother. Thank you.
Have a good one. Guys.
Hold on. I think I gotta do a tip, man. How much do I got? I got $3.
That'll work.
Look at that. Backup camera. Backup camera, brother. Hey,
Thank you,
I appreciate it, man. I can't reach in there. This.
Oh, you guys are good.
All right, you guys have a good one.
Thanks, brother.
Later.
We'll never be welcome back at that coffee stand.
Nope. Hey, what's up, Tash? How are you?
How you doing?
I'm doing really good, man. We're on the way to your restaurant right now. Oh, that's pretty cool. We're gonna come see you right now. Right now, man. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, sure.
Alrighty, see ya. Bye.
Thank you.
Not with people.
No, just the guy that's videotaping him.
Oh shit.
You gotta stop thinking that.
What do you think?
Hey, this fits us, right? I know, right?
Should we get it? Yeah? Alright, man. Guys have a good one. That'll get chicks, he said. Can't help but notice that we get a lot of looks on this thing.
I think it's two giant ass men in a tiny ass car. You ever seen what was that movie? Tommy Boy?
Yeah? Bad guy in a little coat.
Yeah, this is like that, except they're tall guys in a small ass car.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit the turbo. You gotta put your head back. Slingshot.
Engage.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
How fast did you get?
35.
30? Wow, bro.
It was right.
Nobody can get up to 30 that fast.
Did you see our reflection?
No.
We look humongous in this thing. What's up, man? Good.
You got it. You can get around him. Go. You can get around
I don't think I can get around
Yes,
him.
you can.
There's a car on the
You're
other
all right.
side.
Go. I promise. You're good. You good, bro. You good. All the room
we
in the
can
world.
fit.
I'm gonna put my fucking dump truck through this hole. Hey, I know that guy. Damn. You loving that?
Loving what? Oh,
truck?
shit. You know what? I'm just gonna park right here.
Is this a parking spot? It is now.
It is now, yeah. All right, man. If you guys have not been to this place, you guys gotta come check it out. You gotta get some of that rice too, man. Potatoes.
Over there?
Good stuff over there, yeah. Oh, and the rice is over here too.
There's just something about having tomato juice mixed with alcohol that gives me off, but
It is weird, bro. It's weird, and then you add a bunch of veggies, and
that's the best part.
that's crazy. That's
I always
crazy.
ask for extra spice, extra pickle juice.
I want to know who was the first person that said, "Hey, this beer, we should put tomato juice in it. Pickled tomato juice."
Yeah.
You were texting me. I'm gonna bullshit with you. What was that? Your message. Look at this.
Yeah. Did I?
We were both of them. What did this guy say? Like,
So
why
what
you
I'm
want to do
doing?
bullshit? Like what did they do wrong? Your message is like that. Look at this.
I don't know.
Give me the key.
You want to go check it out? Do you have the key? Yeah. Oh no, I got it. Do I have it? No, you have it. Oh, he's got it. Go check it out, man. You're gonna like it. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go out there with them.
By the way, drink specials, best in town. Hey, what's up, man? I'm just talking to the camera, you know?
And himself.
And myself. That's how it started. I started talking to myself, and then I found
Put
that
this on film.
I should record this.
Somebody's bound to watch it.
Yeah, I was like, I got great conversations with myself. You guys look good in there.
You guys are the perfect height, because we're not.
You guys should see us in there. Do we fit in there? No?
I mean,
Barely.
I think fit's a strong word.
What do you think? It's a fun car, isn't it? Let's do like a tree
And
and
leave.
get out of here. Oh! You need to try their beers.
Yeah, that's what you were saying. He's got really good Indian beer, right?
Yeah.
Real Indian pale ale.
Real Indian pale ale.
Real IPAs.
Real IPAs. What, are IPAs Indian?
They're called Indian pale ales, is what an IPA is.
That's what an IPA is?
Don't ask me to go any farther than that.
I had no idea.
Because I know nothing.
Wow, I had no idea. You just blew my mind. God dang, really?
Get used to it, bud.
Indian pale ale?
Indian pale ale.
Pale ale.
IPA stands for.
I can't pronounce it. Pale ale. Indian pale ale. Is crazy. How often? Hey, do you see something like this? What's up, man?
Hey, we're doing a vlog and you just happen to be in the right spot, man.
That is
dope.
crazy. Is that automatic or manual? Pull up a little more.
Oh yeah.
Manual.
Manual.
All right.
Granted.
What are the chances, man? What are the chances? That is cool. What year?
2017.
So is this
Same
one.
thing, man.
This one's
You
brand
just bought
new.
that.
Yep.
Right on, dude.
You?
Badass. Oh, we're selling this one.
Oh my God! You don't like them no more?
No, this is from, we work at a dealership. We're just doing a little video log.
How much you selling?
22,858.
How many miles?
Brand new.
It's got 300 miles on it.
Good price, man.
Yeah, it's never been titled. It's brand new. It's never been
Yeah.
titled. It's never been
It's
bought.
our last Fiat though.
Manual?
Oh, no.
Automatic.
Oh no, it's horrible.
Have a good one, man. Woo! We're back. We're back at the dealership. We got a great deal on this thing. So if you guys are interested in this vehicle, we still have it. Come check it out. I'll show you the price. $22,858 for a brand new Fiat 124 Spider that retails for $31,335. It's our last one. Do me a huge favor. Give me a like, subscribe, all of that YouTuber stuff. Be on the lookout for more videos, man. We got a lot more content coming out.
Yeah, CTG coming at you with a lot more, I promise.
CTG, that's right. Do me a huge favor. Go to pepeforyou.com. Check out the vlogs, man. Have a good one.
Child? Yeah, I said Inchimich. Hey, Charlie. What's up, Wanker? Where do you live? Up your mom's ass. Hey, Charlie, do you have any pets? Up your mom's ass.